So how you can use 11 Labs? It's very simple. Just head over to 11labs.io. This is the link. And once you are on this page, on the home page, I guess here you can see grow your audience by expanding into audio. They have storytelling, audio books. Like you can do a lot of stuff with 11 Labs. It's pretty cool. And what you can do is just sign in your account. So I'm gonna log out. So just sign up, and here you can sign up with your Facebook or Google account, or you can just create an account without signing up with Facebook or Google by just entering here your email and password. Click on agree, and I want to receive. Just click on sign up. If you already registered, just sign up. And once you sign up, then you can simply now you can go to here, click on subscription, and here in subscription you can click on manage subscription. You can from here you can select your plan, which plan you want to use. Now here make sure you select the plan that you want to use. For free is yes, so you can use around 10k characters per month, but you don't have commercial license. And for $5 per month you have commercial license, 30k characters per month. You can create up to 10 custom voices, access to instant voice cloning, create random voices using voice design, create speech in these languages, and API access. So you can also use different plans, Google to pay for the service. And now to start using the plan, you can just type here your text. You can type here text, you can choose a model. You have generalized speech in multiple languages and create content that resonates with a broader audience. And select your model, voice settings. You have here stability, increases versatility and makes more expressive with output. Clarity, similar enhancement. If your background artifact represents general speech. So you can also here select your voice, select voice that you want to use. You can also click on default here if you don't want to make any changes. And now just here type your text. You can click on generate, and after you generate it, you can click on download here if you like the way it is. You can just click on download here. So it's very simple. The interface is very simple. So that's pretty much the tutorial. I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much and take care.